Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are going to be cooking up a tomahawk steak. I got a little over, this steak is 2.67 pounds. It's tomahawk steak ribeye. It is, for this price, when I got it back in April, it was $27.95. Beef is getting expensive. Alright, well, we're going to cook this on our fire pit. We're going to get a nice sear on it first. But first we're going to kind of put a little bit of oil on here, and then we're going to season it. And once we get that seasoned, we will take it outside and put a nice sear on it. We also have, we made up our own little compound herb. This butter has 2 sticks of butter, salted. It also has rosemary, thyme, and some mint. And so now we're going to put a little bit of salt on it. With this type of steak, you definitely want to be generous. You do not want to hold back on it. And we're going to put a little bit of pepper on it. Alright. We're going to take this outside and get it all nice sear to it, and then bring it back in and finish up with the rub. Alright, we'll be back in a little bit. Alright guys, we're back and we got a nice little sear on our steak here, as you can see. We'll flip it over so you can see that. We cooked the sides too, in the front here. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to put our rub on. Like so. Then we have our cast iron pan we're going to take out here. We have a stick of butter in there, and we're going to get this melted. Once this is all melted good, we're going to take, we also have a little Italian wine that we're going to put in here also, and that'll help get it cooked and give it a nice good taste to it. Alright guys, once we get it going and all, we'll take the camera out there and give you a little peek while it's cooking. Alright, so we'll be back in a little bit. Hi everyone, we're back. I just wanted to give you an update. According to our meter reader, we have it set for 140 degrees internal. That's going to be like a medium. And as of right now, our internal temperature is at 113 degrees. I would recommend getting one of these meter readers. They're pretty good, if you can see it. They're pretty accurate, and it's good for cooking meats like this. You get it to where you want it, and you know, it's not overcooked, not undercooked. But I like it like a medium. A little bit of pink on the inside. Alright, we're going to take the camera outside and show you where we're at. Alright, be right back. Alright guys, here we are. We have our tomahawk cooking in the cast iron pan. It's over top of the fire pit. The liquid is the wine and the butter and all the seasonings, all in that juice right there, and boy is it going to be good when it comes out. Every so often I flip it over and I take my spoon and I spoon it over on the top to keep it nice and moist. If you can see right there is the meter that is monitoring the meat. Alright guys, this is what we got so far. Hopefully it shouldn't be too much longer. Alright, we'll be back in a little bit. Alright guys, we're back and our tomahawk is done. And here's a nice view of it. Now, what do you say we cut it open and see how she looks? I say we do that. It's cut right here. Oh man, this thing cutting nice. Look at that, guys. Just perfect. Just the way I like it. Look at that. Just a little bit of pink in there. Just a little bit of pink in there. Just perfect. See, make sure you get these Meter Plus. They're great to have. They're accurate. And you won't overcook or undercook. You can cook it the way you want it. I got the meter block. That's MEATER block. It's a little more expensive, but you get 4 probes. It works off of Wi-Fi. You can monitor it from anywhere, and they're great to have. All right, everyone. We are going to, wife and I are going to have my good birthday dinner tonight, and we're going to have some macaroni salad, potato salad, some beans, and all that good stuff with this wonderful steak. All right, everyone. You all have a great day and a wonderful weekend, and we hope to see you on the next one. God bless, and bye for now.